Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn microcontroller programming. First, grasp fundamental electronics principles like voltage, current, and resistance. Next, select a beginner-friendly development board. Arduino Uno or ESP32 are excellent choices. Then dive into a core programming language, usually C or C++, which forms the backbone of embedded systems. This initial setup provides a solid foundation for your journey into embedded programming. Once you have your board and language, start with practical small projects. A classic first step is making an LED blink, followed by reading input from a push button. Use your chosen IDE, like Arduino IDE or VS Code with Platform I/O, to write and upload your code. Don't hesitate to leverage the vast resources available online, including tutorials and active community forums, for troubleshooting and inspiration. As you progress, delve into more advanced topics. Master communication protocols such as I2C, SPI, and UART to enable your microcontroller to interact with other devices. Explore concepts like interrupts, timers, and efficient memory management for more robust applications. Finally, integrate various sensors and actuators into your projects, bringing your ideas to life with real-world functionality and control. To truly master microcontroller programming, continuous learning is key. Challenge yourself with increasingly complex projects, perhaps involving multiple sensors or wireless communication. Engaging with open-source projects can also provide invaluable experience and networking opportunities. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources, including the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep exploring, experimenting, and building to expand your expertise in this exciting field.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.